Right, this is a very simple tutorial on literally just how to write a short script that makes your computer shut down. Now, this is the code. It's very, very complicated. You'll just have to try and remember that or something. I'll type it out for you just so that you guys can do it with me. So you have to type an SHUT. You following along? Okay. DOWN, so shut down, /S. And then, or -S, whatever you want. I'm doing /. You have to save it as whatever you want to call it. So, whatever you want to call it. .bat. .bat. It's super complicated. So if you guys can remember that, good job on you. And then here's the file. If you run it, it should shut down your computer because this file here does it. And if I edit the text, it's literally okay. So yeah, I'm not gonna run the file because the recording will end and I'll lose everything. And so yeah, that's how you do that. I literally just figured out this feature. So let me just lower the size. I just figured out this feature, guys, so don't judge me. Text color, right, black. Outline color. Black, background color. I can just, no background color. White, color, white. Right, thanks for watching. Right, okay, that's that. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.